Before the video begins, let's get this video to 30 likes. Can we do it? Yes, we can. So make sure to smash that like button. I'd really appreciate it. And it really helps out with the YouTube algorithm. Also, if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. It only takes 1 second to subscribe. And it takes me hours and hours to complete these drawings. And I'd greatly appreciate it. And also, make sure to turn on post notifications so you don't miss every time I upload a new video. I upload every single Friday, every single week, and I'm consistent. So make sure to like the video, get this video to 30 likes, subscribe if you are new, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss out. But other than that, enjoy the rest of the video. Alrighty everybody, that wraps up the end of the video. Hopefully you all enjoyed. Make sure to like the video. It really helps out with the YouTube algorithm and I would greatly appreciate it. Like I said in the beginning of the video, let's get this video to 30 likes. Can we do it? Yes we can. So make sure to smash the like button. It really helps out. And also make sure to comment what you thought of drawing. Don't be afraid to comment because I reply back to every single comment. So comment what you thought of drawing. And also make sure to share this video with your friends and tell them to subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it and it really helps the channel out a lot. And if you are new to the channel, also make sure to subscribe. I had a lot of fun making this drawing. Hopefully you all enjoyed this drawing of Miyamura from Horimiya. And yeah, I really like the outcome and I especially really like the blue outline I did for Miyamura. But yeah, hopefully you all enjoyed as much as I did. I'm going to be leaving a list of my drawing playlists in the description, so if you want to check it out, check it out. I'm sure you'll find some anime characters that I've drawn before that you may really like, so make sure to check it out. It's going to be in the description. But yeah, everybody, hopefully you all enjoyed. Make sure to stay safe, and until next time, everybody, peace.